Occam's razor, simpler explanation for design. Imagine you're trying to figure out how a complex machine works. Do you think it was built by a clever engineer or just happened by chance? That's what the argument from design suggests about the universe. It claims that the intricate order and complexity in nature point to a designer. But there is a principle called Occam's razor that can help us decide which explanation makes more sense. This principle says that when two ideas explain the same thing, the simpler one is usually better. In the case of the universe, some argue that it's too complex to be a coincidence. They say a designer must have created it. But from an atheist or secular view, natural processes like evolution and physics can explain this complexity without needing to assume a creator. Evolution, for example, shows how simple changes over time can lead to complex life forms. It's a natural process that doesn't require extra assumptions. When we apply Occam's razor to religious claims, it suggests that explanations based on natural laws are often more straightforward. If a phenomenon can be explained by what we observe and test, it's usually better than assuming supernatural intervention. For example, instead of saying a miracle caused something, scientists look for natural causes first. This keeps explanations simple and based on evidence. In science, using Occam's razor helps avoid adding unnecessary ideas. It guides researchers to focus on theories that fit the facts without extra assumptions. When evaluating religious arguments, it encourages us to ask if the claim needs to assume a supernatural being or if it can be explained naturally. If the natural explanation works just as well or better, it's the more reasonable choice. So, in the debate about design, Occam's razor favors natural explanations like evolution or physical laws over the idea of a divine creator. It's not about dismissing faith but about choosing the explanation that requires fewer assumptions and aligns with what we can observe and test. This approach helps keep our thinking clear and grounded in evidence, making it a handy tool when discussing the universe's origins and complexity.